At MAPEI Canada, sustainability is at the heart of everything we do, and we're making a real commitment to the environment, people, and the planet. Introducing the Zero line, a fully carbon offset product with all the quality MAPEI is so well known for.
When I need products to meet the spec, that increasingly includes products with carbon offsets.
I look for MAPEI Zero products that are fully offset for CO2. It feels good knowing I'm contributing to a healthier planet.
Respect for nature and wildlife shouldn't have to take a back seat to our built environment. We need to build sustainably.
Thanks to our research, we have optimized our product toward the goal of sustainability. We've made some of our best-selling premium products fully carbon offset, so you can choose both quality and sustainability. At MAPEI, we are committed to offsetting all CO2 emissions produced during their entire life cycle. Choosing CO2 offset products by MAPEI promotes reforestation projects that support wildlife and fight climate change.
For my projects, I choose MAPEI quality and CO2 offsets first.
Every day, I do what protects the environment best.
For my future, I insist on sustainability.
Let's build a sustainable future together.